Hey there everyone, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of iMuto's Leo SL100 battery bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, and as you can see on the box it comes in a black and a white color. I have the black one here, and then if you look here it says it charges the iPhone 7 3.5 times, 6S 4 times, the iPad Air 1 time, Galaxy S7 2 times, and the Note 5 2.5 times. And then if we look on the back, it gives you some information on it. It's about a half a pound, has 2 USB outputs and a micro USB input. So let's unsheath it and see what we get inside. Now this is similar to your average iMuto anything unboxing. You get a card saying thank you for purchasing. You get a little booklet telling you all about it in 12 different languages, a iMuto branded micro USB cable to charge it, you get the battery itself, and you get a little sack to carry it around in. So let's take the battery out of this little baggie, put everything else off to the side. This has a matte finish. It's kind of smooth and kind of grippy, so you're not going to be having it slide out of your hands too much, although it does wear away. I've been using this for 2-3 weeks now. It's seen its fair share of scraping and rubbing. But on the top you have your 2 USB ports, you have your micro USB in and a power button, and when you press the power button there's a display here. Excuse the refresh rate of the camera, but that says 100, and on the bottom you get your regulatory info and everything else. I've been using this alongside another battery, which you'll see later this week or next week, as my main daily driver batteries, and they replaced my Hokanui battery and also their own Taurus X6L Pro. The one issue that I've had with this one and the one that I'm going to be showcasing later on is the lack of USB-C ports. I've kind of gotten used to being able to charge my MacBook with my batteries because they have the USB-C port. Obviously, as I showed you, this one does not. But as far as everything else goes, works fine. Charge headphones, your phone, iPad, tablet, speakers, other battery banks if you need to. And while we're on the topic of things you can charge 2 devices at the same time using the 2 USB ports. So I'm going to plug in my 2 iPhones here. You can see they are both charging. This one is in fact in charging. This probably wasn't the best wallpaper for this video, but whatever, too late for that now. And I think as far as wattage and amperage goes, you can charge 2 iPads at the same time, which is really awesome because if you're someone like me who carries around 4 battery banks everywhere he goes and you're always killing your devices, you have multiple devices, you can charge them both at the same time and get a bit more juice going in a shorter amount of time. I'll have the link to this down below in the description. I believe on Amazon it's 20 bucks. I could be wrong. It's currently unavailable at the time I'm shooting this, but I believe I paid 20 bucks for this. If you have 20 bucks and you're out for a power bank, this is the one that I suggest you buy. So there you guys have it. That is my unboxing and review of iMuto's Leo SL100 power bank. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment. If you have other power banks that you use in the $20 price range, or other battery banks that you would like me to take a look at, figured I'd open this up to my viewers and people who want to know more about things they want to know more about. I don't know. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, as well as any suggestions for future videos. While you're down there, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that way you don't miss the next video where I feature this big boy. It's been Jake with Technology and Toys. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.